In this video, we will talk about how to fix Microsoft Visual C++ Runtime library assertion failed. Method 1. Install or repair. Open any browser. Type download Microsoft Visual C++ redistributable and press enter. Open the website. Scroll down. Download both x86 version and x64 version. After downloading both version, open it. If you get install option, install it on your PC, then check if that helps. If not, let's try with the repair option. Open both of them and select repair. After performing repair, click on Start and restart your PC. Method 2. Reinstall the application. First, uninstall the Adobe application that's causing you this error message. Afterwards, locate Adobe folder in C drive and delete the folder, restart your computer, and install the application on your PC. Method 3. Adobe CCX process. Click in Search. Type Task Scheduler. Select Run as Administrator. Here, you will find Adobe CCX process. Right-click and select Delete. Hopefully, this will fix your issue. See you in the next video.